For millions of years, long before humans built cities or walked the earth, a silent hunter ruled the oceans. Beneath the crashing waves and endless blue waters lived a creature shaped by survival itself, the great white shark. Its story begins nearly 450 million years ago, making sharks older than dinosaurs, older than trees, and older than almost every animal alive today. Through mass extinctions, shifting continents, and violent climate changes, sharks survived when countless species disappeared forever. Over time, thousands of shark species evolved, turning them into one of nature's greatest success stories. Hundreds of millions of years ago, ancient oceans were crowded with strange fish and enormous sea creatures. Sharks quickly adapted to this dangerous underwater world. Around 360 million years ago, they became dominant predators of the seas, splitting into many different forms including rays, skates, and chimeras. Their bodies changed over time: stronger jaws, faster tails, sharper teeth, all designed for one purpose: survival. During the Jurassic era, nearly 200 million years ago, sharks evolved even further. Their mouths shifted beneath their snouts, giving them stronger biting power and better hunting control. Their tails became more powerful, allowing them to move swiftly through deep waters. These changes transformed sharks into highly efficient hunters capable of chasing larger prey across vast oceans. Among all ancient sharks, one giant stood above the rest: the legendary megalodon. This enormous predator could grow longer than a school bus and dominated prehistoric seas for millions of years. Scientists believe the modern great white shark shares distant ancestry with this ancient giant. Although Megalodon vanished around 3.6 million years ago, great white sharks appeared shortly before its extinction, meaning the two predators may have once shared the same oceans. Today, the great white shark is considered one of the most powerful predatory fish on Earth. Some individuals can grow over 20 feet long and weigh more than 2 tons. Their torpedo-shaped bodies are built perfectly for speed and precision. Dark gray skin covers their backs while their white underbellies help camouflage them from prey swimming below. Every part of the shark's body serves a purpose. Its crescent-shaped tail generates explosive speed, while its stiff pectoral fins keep the animal balanced as it glides through the water. But the most terrifying feature is its jaw. A great white shark can carry nearly 300 serrated teeth arranged in multiple rows. When a tooth breaks, another quickly replaces it. Some teeth grow over 2 inches long, creating a bite powerful enough to tear through thick flesh and bone. Great white sharks are found in coastal waters across the globe, especially near South Africa, Australia, California, and parts of the northeastern United States. They also travel incredible distances through the open ocean, sometimes swimming thousands of miles between feeding grounds. Unlike many fish, great whites must keep moving to survive. As they swim, water flows through their mouths and over their gills, supplying oxygen. Without constant movement, they could suffocate. Their bodies move in a smooth side-to-side motion, allowing them to travel efficiently across enormous stretches of ocean. Despite their fearsome image, great white sharks are intelligent and calculated hunters. They often attack from below, using speed and surprise to ambush prey near the surface. Seals, sea lions, dolphins, and small whales are among their favorite meals. Instead of relying mainly on eyesight, great whites depend heavily on smell and their ability to detect vibrations and tiny electrical signals in the water. Their sense of smell is so powerful that they can detect traces of blood from surprisingly far away. Special sensory organs called lateral lines help them sense movement around them, even in dark or murky water. One of the shark's most unusual hunting behaviors is known as sample biting. The shark may bite prey once and wait for it to weaken before returning. Scientists believe this is one reason many shark attacks on humans are not fatal. In many cases, the shark mistakes surfers or swimmers for seals before realizing humans are not part of its normal diet. Still, movies and television have painted sharks as ruthless monsters for decades. Films like Jaws turned the great white into a symbol of fear, creating a global reputation as a man-eater. But the truth is far more complicated. Humans pose a much greater threat to sharks than sharks do to humans. Every year, countless great white sharks are harmed by fishing nets, illegal hunting, pollution, and habitat destruction. Trophy hunters seek their jaws and teeth, while shark fins are sold illegally in international markets. Coastal development also destroys important nursery areas where young sharks once grew safely. Because great white sharks reproduce slowly, their populations recover very gradually. Female sharks may only give birth every few years after carrying their pups for over a year. This makes the species especially vulnerable to population decline. Yet sharks remain vital to ocean ecosystems. By hunting weak and sick animals, they help keep marine populations balanced and healthy. They also clean the ocean by scavenging dead creatures from the sea floor. Without sharks, the delicate balance of marine life could collapse. Even their bodies are extraordinary. Great white sharks possess a unique network of blood vessels that helps maintain warmth in their muscles, giving them extra power while hunting in cooler waters. This adaptation allows them to move faster and stay active longer than many other fish species. For all the fear surrounding them, great white sharks are not mindless killers. They are ancient survivors, perfectly adapted creatures shaped by millions of years of evolution. Far beneath the waves, where sunlight fades into darkness, the great white shark continues its endless journey through the ocean. Silent, powerful, misunderstood. And long after humanity first feared it, the ruler of the deep still swims. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more videos. And share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.